Hey kids, are you ready to learn some fun? ABC with me? A is for apricot. Can you say apricot? Ah-ah-Apricot. B is for boots. Can you say boots? Boots. C is for cloud. Can you say cloud? Cloud. D is for door. Can you say door? Door. E is for eagle. Can you say eagle? Eagle. F is for fan. Can you say fan? Fan. G is for gate. Can you say gate? Gate. H is for hose. Can you say hose? Hose. I is for island. Can you say island? Island. J is for jacket. Can you say jacket? Jacket. K is for kettle. Can you say kettle? Kettle. L is for ladder. Can you say ladder? Ladder. M is for mirror. Can you say mirror? Mirror. N is for nut. Can you say nut? Nut. O is for owl. Can you say owl? Owl. P is for pan. Can you say pan? Pan. Q is for quiver. Can you say quiver? Quiver. R is for rope. Can you say rope? Rope. S is for star. Can you say star? Star. T is for train. Can you say train? Train. U is for utensil. Can you say utensil? Utensil. V is for vest. Can you say vest? Vest. W is for wagon. Can you say wagon? Wagon. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yacht. Can you say yacht? Yacht. Z is for zipper. Can you say zipper? You did it! You're a phonics pro! That was the ABC Sound Show. See you next time.